In this video, you'll learn how to add an admin user to Calendly. By following these steps, you will enable another user to manage your Calendly settings effectively. Begin by logging in to your Calendly account. Once you have successfully entered your credentials, you will be directed to your main dashboard. This is where you will start the process of adding an admin user. From the left sidebar of the dashboard, locate and click on the option labeled Admin Center. This will take you to the administrative settings of your account, where you can manage users and organizational settings. Inside the Admin Center, you will see several options available. Click on Users to view the list of current team members associated with your account. This section allows you to manage existing users and invite new ones. In the top right corner of the users page, find and click on the button that says Invite Users. This action will open a new dialog box where you can enter the details of the person you wish to add as an admin. Enter the email address of the individual you want to invite. After inputting the email, you will need to select their role. Choose admin from the available options to grant them full administrative privileges. By setting their role to admin, this user will gain the ability to manage other users, edit organization settings, control integrations, and manage events and workflows. These capabilities are essential for effective account management. Once you have selected the admin role, click on the button labeled Send Invite. This will send an email invitation to the user you specified. They will need to accept the invitation to officially become an admin of your Calendly account. After the user accepts the invitation, they will have full admin access to your Calendly account. Ensure that the invited user checks their email for the invitation and follows the prompts to complete the process.